Okay, let's open Google Chrome. And now we'll go to our studio.youtube.com, which shows all our information. So if you scroll down, you can see here this monetization option. Just click here. And now you can see here that subscribers are done 1,000 and watch hours also done. So now you can click on apply now here. So just click here. Okay, now they are asking you review partner program terms, read and agree to the YouTube program term. This is the agreement it made possible. So we'll click on start. Then these are the things, all the rules and regulation. These are the all rules. If you want to read it, even you can copy it somewhere and paste it if you want to read it later on. So I'm pasting it in Notepad. I'll just go through few of the rules, and then you will click on accept and accept terms. It will take a while to complete this first step. Now second step is creating a AdSense account. So I'll click on start and then click on proceed. I'll sign in with the same account as I am YouTube. Now its two-way verification is on, so it is asking me to verify from my mobile. So I'll click on continue. Then this is my email address on which I need my AdSense account. So you see the website information, everything is here. And click on yes. I need to write my country. I select my country here. This is my country, and then now again we have different terms and conditions for this. So I just agree and then create account. Now I need to get started with this also. Then click on get started. Now we have this form, so I need to fill it out. First I need to write the address. Make sure you write the correct address, which is on your national ID card or your driving license or your passport, because later on Google will verify your address. So make sure it is correct. I am writing here for the video purpose DHA phase 5, but you need to write the correct one. City, Karachi, postal code. They're asking you if you don't have another postal code, then click here. So these are the things you can get from here. So I can also search on Google. Defense phase 5. What's email? This is the postal code for my area. And I'll verify this postal code by pasting here, search. So you see its defense is showing correct one. So I can write this postal code here. Now you will paste your postal code here, write your phone number and click on the submit button. Then it will take some time to redirect you to your main YouTube page. Here you can see your first step is done, second step is in progress. It usually take 24 hours to 48 hours. They say that it will take a week or several weeks, but don't worry. Within 24 hours you will get the email, and then your Google AdSense will be verified. And after that you have a third step, that is to verify your account, submit your channel for the review. And I'll be making a separate video on how to get your channel reviewed easily within 2 hours. Usually it takes a week, 2 weeks, or sometimes even a month. But with my special method, you will be able to verify your account within 2 hours. So in 2 hours, your channel will be monetized. The link is given in the description also, or also on the top right side, there is a link. So follow it. Good luck. I hope this video is really helpful for you. Please give it a like, subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, make sure to press the bell icon, share it with your friend family so others may benefit also. Take care. Allah Hafiz.